Hi friends, yesterday we observed that we were able to combine different sheets into one sheet in the same spreadsheet, and today again I'm here with the solution of the flaw which I had observed yesterday. So this was the result sheet which we have created through this command. Cricket sheet range A1 to D12, badminton sheet from A2 to D6, hockey sheet from A2 to D11, and these three sheets have to be dumped into total sheet. This was the total sheet. So here you'll see all the records of different sheets are here. But what happened yesterday when I inserted a new record in cricket sheet, this record, it could not be inserted into the final sheet. So what is the solution of this? So I'll be discussing this here. So come to the total sheet here. The solution is that you have to remove the row number. Remove the row number from all the sheets this way and press enter. What happened in this case? There were three sheets, and every sheet will occupy one sheet in the same sheet. See here. So first sheet will occupy 1000 rows, second sheet will occupy 1000 rows, and the third sheet will occupy the 1000 rows. So you observe that there is a huge gap, and now we want to remove this gap. So what should be done here? I will have to apply again SQL query to remove this. So this we'll do in our next video. Until then, bye.